असावा सुंदर चॉकलेटचा बंगला हे बहुतेकांनी आपण लहानपणी ऐकले आणि टी व्हीवर पाहिले होते. तर इथे आज मी करत आहे जिंजर ब्रेड हाऊस. हॅलो फ्रेंड, आय एम तृप्ती and welcome you again on my channel Simply Trupt, wherein today I am going to assemble this gingerbread house of which I was always curious about. This is Bakery Bling brand of gingerbread house. I have bought this from Walmart. In this we have 6 house-shaped ginger cookies, icing to stick these cookies together, sugar articles and sugar for decoration. हे घर मी या एक केक स्टँडवर उभे करणार आहे. बिकॉज ऑफ यूजिंग दिस केक स्टँड I will be able to move this house as per my requirement. Mostly here in US, people make this house during Christmas for family get-together. But as you had seen in my last video, I had put up this house for my Makar Sankranti decoration as a farmer's house. या पॅकमध्ये त्यांनी 6 ginger cookies दिल्या आहेत. They are smelling like sweet and spice together. It's wonderful. To stick these pieces together, first we have to soften the icing and then cut its tip to make a tiny hole. We have to delicately handle these cookies as we don't want them to crack or break. Though I started to stick the pieces together, it is best to do all the design first on the cookies on a plate and then to bring it all together, giving some time in between for it to dry and stick together. As I am making this for my Sankranti theme, I am going to reverse the label Santa's Workshop inside out. I will stick some sugar lights over it. All these articles are so beautifully designed by Bakery Bling. I am sure kids love it. सो दिस इज इट. आपले घर उभारून झाले आहे. माय हार्ट इज ॲज हॅपी ॲज अ लिटल किड टू सी दिस. मला आता तितकाच आनंद होत आहे जितका लहान मुलांना होत असेल हे बनवल्यावर. Do watch my celebration of Sankranti video wherein I have put up this house for decoration. Thank you for watching. Hope you have liked it. See you again.